Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cancel app subscription on your Android device, how you can cancel app subscription on your Play Store. So if you subscribe to any app on your Android device and you don't know how to cancel it, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video because you're going to be getting all you need to know. And also guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take now is to tap on your Play Store app to open it. So let me tap on my Play Store and see it there. So guys, now you can see I'm on the home page of my Play Store. Once your Play Store opens up, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your Play Store profile icon. You can see there at the top right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written payments and subscriptions. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now under the payments and subscriptions, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the second option, which is written subscriptions. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the subscriptions, this is where you're going to find all the apps that you've subscribed to on your Play Store or the apps that you've subscribed to on your Android device. So guys, can see I've subscribed to 2 apps here. So guys, let me show you guys how to cancel it. Let me cancel the first app that you can see there at the top. So guys, let me tap on it. You can see the logo there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are the details of the app that I subscribed to. You can see the primary payment method. You can see the time for the upcoming charges. You can see everything. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now in order to cancel this app subscription in your Android device is to tap on where it is written cancel subscription. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. What is making you cancel? Before cancelling, let us know why you're leaving. Your response may be shared with our developer. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose one of these options. So let me tap on the first one, which is cost related reasons. So let me tap on it. And what you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. So guys, now the final step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written cancel subscription. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's cancelling, it's loading. So guys, now you can see what is written down there, subscription will be cancelled. And if you look at the top there, you can see the subscription has been cancelled. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So guys, now you can see this is how you can be able to cancel any app subscription, any app that you've subscribed to on your Play Store, on your Android device. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.